Alright everybody, figured out to be a good time for me to do an update video of the Patera Patera. So it's in brushed nickel with graphite blades and silver triangles. Sorry. As I'm doing an update video since I got 2 new light bulbs from the rebuilding center, along with a Casablanca host recalled hang true mounting bracket and pole chains. So, like I said, it has silver side graphite reversible to silver. It has the UL file with the still there. The UL file is E1855585, which means this fan is made by Westinghouse, formerly Encon. So anyways, I'll show you the light. Now, this time, only 2 out of 3 light bulbs were burned out. 1 out of 3 light bulb is burnt out. In the original home, 1 out of 3 light bulbs was burned out. It was working fine until it got screwed up. So, it's low. You don't blow any air. Somewhat reason. I said the screws probably burned by SC Kenskin PS medium. Might have a little rattling noise. But oh, sorry. Oh gosh. That's hard. They're not good air movers, despite that they're just cheap low-end fans. Anyways, I'll turn it off. And we'll reverse it. Here's low and reverse. They're just cheap fans, but I'm just keeping it because it's a childhood fan for me. Medium. And sorry for not posting videos in a while. I was busy. Now for high. Make some scraping noise. No, rattling noise. Anyways, go ahead and shut it off and reverse it back to downdraft. So here's the switch there. Anyways, that's all we have today on my hard reviews activity / Patera.